And the gospel writers say Jesus was buried in the tomb of Joseph of Arimathea, which means if you don't think the tomb is empty, go and check it out. It's well known. People go to the tomb of Joseph of Arimathea, it's empty. The body of Christ is not there. So it's due to those types of details that give the Gospels great credibility. So those are some of the tests that I use to determine historical reliability. But nothing's sacred about my tests. If you don't like them, I'm not going to be offended. But you got to come up with your own test that you consistently use to determine what's fiction, what's nonfiction, what's credible and what's not credible. Because if Jesus rose from the dead, man, you got to put your faith in him because he's the truth.